Guess who just got her package? I'm so excited. I finally got my Muse Beauty package in the mail. The post office has just been playing me with this one. They kept saying that they attempted delivery when they did not. So annoying, am I right? Just in the nick of time to create a Valentine's Day look for you guys. It's so good, you guys. It's so good. Isn't the pink cute? The inside looks like this. It's soft and neutral and mauve and delicious. You guys know how much I adore Viseart shadows. It's my go-to, my favorite, top-notch. I almost always grab for Viseart. But somehow, I wasn't expecting how good this is. I don't know why. I know Viseart is amazing, but they continually blow me away. And I think it's just because when you look at this overall, it looks so soft and neutral. But these metallics are insane. Like they're insane on the eyes. They apply so easily. The mattes are also their standard amazing matte shadows. But man, these metallics took me by surprise. The satins too. I mean, it's just, you just have to use them on your eyes to know what I mean. They're just amazing, amazing. Hands down, a must in my book. Anyway, I just adore this. I think the colors are so well thought out and beautiful. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I was playing with this palette in preparation for this video just a second ago and still have a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline. But I went ahead and removed most of my eye makeup to start fresh and prepped with my Viseart eyeshadow base. The metallics in this palette are amazing. So pretty. I'm gonna take the Esom W23 and show you what I mean. With this beautiful icy pink, place this in the inner half of the eye. And that's so pretty. That's just on its own dry. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. I don't have words. So beautiful. Viseart never ceases to amaze me. I'm going to take a bit of this gorgeous satin and overlap the center of the eyeshadow a bit, bringing it out to the outer half of the lid. There's so much richness to these colors, and they really blend together cleanly. I love this color right here, and I'm going to use this in the crease. These mattes hardly require any work at all. I'm going to build up some depth with this beautiful rich brown, starting in the outer half of the crease and then bringing it through. With my large Esom 35, I'd like to go into this very light pink. Bring this around the edges, right underneath the brow and into the inner edge. Oh, this palette is so good. It's just so good. I do have a little bit of fallout that I'm picking up with a wipe. And then I'm going to reapply my eyeliner. The Esom dual-ended brown eyeliner in my waterline along the top edge as well for some definition. And then I'm going to go into this soft brown with my Sonia G Worker Pro brush. I'm going to sweep this on to my lower lash line. Esom T09 brush, go into this satin right here. I'm going to apply this on the outer half of the lower lash line. Taking my Morphe E28 and this light pink here, I'm buffing around the edges. And with a wispier brush, this is the M330 from Morphe. I'm going to take a little bit of this gold highlight and sweep it lightly around the edges. I went ahead and threw some mascara and false lashes on and did my brows using my Esom brow pencil. And for false lashes, Ardell Accent Magnetic Lashes. I'm going to prime my face using the Too Faced Hangover RX Nourishing Primer. Using this along the edges of my face where I'm driest. And then I'm taking my Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Primer along the center of my face where I have texture. I'm going to start by using a little bit of my Viseart Dewdrop foundation, which is my fave. 3 little drops. And I'm going to blend it in using my Shakuda foundation brush. The color that I have in the Viseart Dewdrop is number 2. For concealer, I'm using my YSL number 1 All Hours concealer. To get close to the eyes, I switched to my Sephora Smoky Crease brush number 31. I'm bringing that concealer right in close to the under eye. I'd like to take a little bit of cream contouring. This is the A contour from Giorgio Armani in the color 20. Super natural gel consistency. I'm going to blend my nose contour first using that same Sephora brush. Then switching over to the Suku goat hair brush to blend the rest out. Ooh, I do love this product. So pretty. Okay, so for blush and highlight, I'm taking this Tom Ford Glow Stick in Soleil Neige. Here is the blush and here is the highlight. So first for the blush, I'm going to blend that out fully. And then for the highlight, this powder is the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder, highlight number 1. So pretty. And I actually like to sometimes use this as a very soft and luminous setting powder. So I'm going to take this underneath the eyes a little bit using, oh, my hair. Using my must-have Kawani number 5 brush. Esam X57 and my Ket light to medium powder foundation palette. And I'm going to use these two to up the coverage wherever I might need it. Right around the mouth. And over my rash. Easy peasy porridge pie. And for lips, I'm taking the Deborah Audacious Lipstick from NARS. I'll actually have foundation on my lips. I want to remove first. As a final touch, Viseart Beignet Moisture Boost Lip Shine in the center. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe to join our CakeFaceFam. I love you lots, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye friends.